Ya me sei, ya me lo. Namaste to all of you. Good afternoon. It is a great pleasure for me to be addressing you all on this auspicious day of the 49th Statehood Day of Manipur. My namaste to everyone in Manipur. On the dais, we have the respected Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri N. Biren Singh Ji. My namaste to Biren Ji. On the dais, we have Abhay Giri Ji, who is the organizing secretary of both Manipur as well as Nagaland. My good wishes to him. We have Premanand Maitei Ji, who is the General Secretary Organization of BJP Manipur. We have Chidananda Ji, who is the Vice President and in charge of this district of Ukhrul. My regards to him. And of course, we have our Minister, Mr. Henry Ji over here. My regards. The District President of Ukhrul, please, Mr. Kashum Ji, come to the forefront. And the three heroes of the three Mandal. We have Mr. Keshin Ji, Mr. Raihin Ji and Mr. Satsang Ji, please come. I request our Honorable Chief Minister to honor the District President first. I request Mr. Abhay Giri Ji to honor one of the Mandal Adhyaksh, Mr. Keshin Ji. I request the Chief Minister to honor Mr. Racing Ji. I request Henry Ji to honor Mr. Satsang Ji. Henry Ji, yes. Friends, why are these four people the heroes? They are the heroes of Bharatiya Janata Party Ukhrul because we are leaders in Bharatiya Janata Party only because of them. They work hard and that is why we get elected representatives and we form government. That is why we should respect the grassroots level worker. And I thank the Chief Minister, Honorable Biren Ji, that he took the pains today, despite the fact that he is very busy, he has to leave for Shillong today. But he came here and he showed that in organization in BJP, a booth level worker is the most important worker and we need to respect them. Friends, I want to assure you, I came from Delhi as the in charge of Manipur. I am a very small Karyakarta of the party. I started my career from a Mandal. I was a Mandal secretary. From Mandal secretary, I became the spokesperson and now I am the in charge of Manipur. This is the only party, my friends, Bharatiya Janata Party, in which a small, poor Karyakarta can become a chief minister, a home minister, or the prime minister of the country like Mr. Narendra Modi. I congratulate all of you that you are in the right party and you are in the right place. I can see Benjamin Mate ji also. I congratulate you also and my namaste to Benjamin Mate. You contested the election last time and you only lost by a small margin. May the people vote for you the next time. This is what I would say. I see very prominent people of the district sitting in front of me. I will conclude because the Chief Minister has to leave. He has to leave for Shillong. By saying only two things. When the Chief Minister took the oath, as the Chief Minister, when Biren Ji took the oath, the first thing that he came and uttered outside to the media was, let us go to the hills. Go to the hills was his first pronouncement. And when Amit Shah Ji came to Imphal, a couple of weeks ago, he held a core committee meeting, and in the meeting he advised each one of us that only if we go to the hills and if we are friends of the people of the hill, will we have a stable and a good government in Manipur. That is why we all are here in the hills today, and we promise you, in the future also, we will always be visiting you, we will come to you, because without hills, we are nothing. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji believes in only one mantra, and that mantra is Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Saath. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas. So we are in the hills today for Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas and Sabka Vishwas. And this is the mantra that Biren ji is following, and this is the list of development work that Biren ji has allotted for the district of Ukhrul. I will take only 2 minutes to read out this, and the media is present. I'm very thankful that the media is present. I would request the media to please show that after a gap of many years, we have a government in Manipur under the leadership of Biren ji, which is working day in and day out, and it has allotted a grand total of 7,517 lakh rupees for Ukhrul. A big hand for this government. And one of the important work that has been allotted, we have Sadbhavna Mandap in Ukhrul block headquarters, boys hostel at Poi, 35 beds, public toilet at Cholu, Kamsong, Pui, Paui and at Marain, school at Kamlang, 6 classrooms, primary school at Hangdong, Buddha, Kumram. I may be wrong in pronouncing the names, but the works are more important. Library at Halang School, public toilet at Pushing Halang, Langhar. Sadbhavna Mandap in Chingai block, approach road at KVS Somsai, power supply at KVS Somsai, water supply at KVS Somsai, 100-bedded hospitals at residential school at Poi village, upgradation of residential school, Sangshak, 8 rooms, 100-bedded hostel at residential school Sangshak, model residential school at LM block headquarters, school building at Sangshak High School, construction of Sadbhavna Mandap at Langshang Nipe, construction of 50-bedded girls hostel at Chingai Government High School, Chingai block Ukhrul, construction of 50-bedded girls hostel at Mankot Chepu High School Ukhrul, Sadbhavna Mandap at Ukhrul district headquarters, Ukhrul district, construction of 50-bedded girls hostel at Nambashi Kulen High School Ukhrul, construction of girls hostel at Paui, working women hospital Ukhrul district headquarters. I can continue, I'm already breathless. I'm already breathless. This is the amount of work that is being done. And I can assure you, people ask me question that this government is now almost 4 years old. More work should have been done, but I have always told you, remember, there were forces outside of the government, the Congress party, which was trying to destabilize the government, was not allowing the government to work. But despite that, Biren ji passed the Agni Pariksha. He passed the Agni Pariksha, and today he is doing development of Manipur with the help of the central government, that is the Modi government. And our only aim is development, development and development. And for that, what we all have to do, the only thing that we, the Karyakartas of BJP, has to do is to see to it that Modi ji's hand and Biren ji's hand are strengthened by working at the booth level. This is our duty. Is it not? Yes. No, it has to be louder yes. Is it not? Yes. Yes. We will all walk with the Honorable Chief Minister for 200 meters in the market, and we will say namaste to every person on the street. That will be the connectivity of BJP with the people of Ukhrul. Thank you so much. Namaste.